Have you ever wondered what sets successful people apart from the rest? It all comes down to their habits. You can replace bad habits with good ones. And this is the only way to increase the amount of success and money in your life. So if you want to find out more, please keep watching this video until the end. Welcome to the Finance Channel, where we can explore today the 5 habits of successful people. Please subscribe and join the ranks of future millionaires. Thank you. But what are these habits? Let's find out. Habit number 1. Setting goals. Successful people set clear, achievable goals and prioritize tasks that will help them reach those goals. So ask yourself, what is your number 1 goal? If you are already feeling stuck, my advice is to take a cold shower to develop mental strength and clarity. Or if you prefer, just grab a cup of coffee. Then sit down with a paper and pencil and write down one goal at a time. For instance, imagine your goal is to save $5,000 as an emergency fund within 1 year. But it could be any target you want to achieve, such as earning more or losing weight. Now, let's break this goal down into smaller, achievable milestones. So, regarding our example, the monthly goal would be $5,000 divided by 12 months, which comes to approximately $416. And for our weekly goal, we divide $5,000 by 52 weeks. And we get approximately $96 per week. So by breaking down the goal into smaller, manageable numbers, we can create a clear plan now. And this brings us to habit number 2. Taking action. Successful people don't just talk about their goals. They take action to make them a reality. They understand that nothing will change unless they do something about it. They know what they want and they work hard to achieve it. We could firstly review our finances. We can create a list of all our monthly expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and so on. Now we identify areas where we can reduce expenses to save $416 per month. We could consider cancelling unnecessary subscriptions, reducing dining out, or finding more affordable alternatives. Secondly, let's build our savings by opening a savings account if you don't already have one. So we set up an automatic transfer of $416 from our checking account to our savings account each month. Remember, paying yourself first is crucial. And during the month, we track our spending. We keep a close eye on our expenses to ensure they stay within our budget. I recommend using a monthly budget tracker. You can get one for free on the Microsoft homepage. So with this spreadsheet, we monitor our spending and make adjustments as needed. In my opinion, budgeting apps on your mobile phone can't provide the same level of oversight as an Excel sheet. Number 4. We can try to increase our income. We should explore opportunities to increase our income by considering taking on extra work, or selling items we no longer need, or exploring freelance opportunities to boost our monthly income. Next, we have to stay motivated and reward ourselves. We keep our eyes on the prize and we stay focused on our goals. We schedule regular check-ins with ourselves to track the progress and make any necessary adjustments to our plan. After, let's say, 3 months, we reward ourselves for our achievements so far, within a reasonable budget, of course. We could purchase something we have been wanting for a while, or we can plan a fun or relaxing day out, like going for a hike or treating ourselves to a massage. Habit number 3. Continuous learning. Successful people are always learning and growing. They make time each day to read books, listen to podcasts, take courses, and seek out new experiences that will help them expand their knowledge and capabilities. I know, it's easier said than done. First, we have to overcome our mobile addiction. We have to break free from the constant distractions of mobile devices and social media by setting boundaries, using app blockers for example, or practicing mindfulness. But this is a topic for another video. So let's continue with habit number 4, persistence. Successful people don't give up when faced with challenges. For developing this habit, I have one book recommendation that I believe is a must-read. The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. In my opinion, this book is a great choice for anyone looking to develop a resilient mindset and overcome obstacles on the path to success. After reading The Obstacle is the Way, you will undergo a complete mindset shift, learning to view challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and advancement. The key message of this book is that the obstacles we face are not barriers to success, but rather the very means by which we achieve it. By adopting a Stoic philosophy and focusing on what is within our control, we can turn any adversity into an advantage. This book will help you in many different aspects of your life, equipping you with the mental tools to overcome difficulties and keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. I highly recommend giving it a read. The link is in the description below. Habit number 5. Self-discipline. Successful people have the self-discipline to do what needs to be done, even when they don't feel like doing it. They understand that achieving their goals requires sacrifice, dedication and hard work. They are willing to put in the effort day in and day out to reach their desired level of success. So if you want to be successful, start by making these habits a part of your daily routine. Remember, successful people make a habit of doing what unsuccessful people don't like to do. In summary, success is not just about what you achieve, but the daily habits and actions you take to get there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos on financial success and personal development. See you next time. Bye.